So this is my website. This is my personal website and also e-portfolio of me, Michael J. Goldstein, teacher of special education. My email is right there. And this is a link back to this website, just in case you need it. It's on all of my web pages, which are right over here. Get to it. There we go. Close out of that. So, here, printed out Certificate of Achievement. This is for a workshop I completed having to do with the CST questions. Right here, posted a funny teaching video. This is of Goofy. I'm not going to play the whole thing right now because I want you to come to my website. So I'll stop it. And now I'm going to go to some of the web pages I think are really important to go to. They all are important to go to, but some of the ones that I really focused on when I'm creating this website. All right, thank you. Bye. All right, so this is my web page on the scientific method. That's me over there. Here's a great song I found about the scientific method. It's sung to the tune of Just a Dream by Nelly. Didn't know the song before.
Now, this is for all my fabulous students at William Pickett Junior High. Always working so hard. I see future scientists.
All right, so we get the, you get the point of that. So if we go down here, I have the steps of the scientific method. First, ask a question. You do background research, construct a hypothesis, test your hypothesis by doing an experiment, analyze your data and draw a conclusion, and communicate your results. You can locate all this on my site, so I won't read every single thing for you right now. Here is a model of that same thing, but it's just a little easier for kids to read. So all those steps drawn out. And here on my Mad Scientist, if you click him, you'll be linked to this site. And this is great to learn all about the scientific method, each individual step, and it gives you resources to get the kids to understand the scientific method. So that's it. That's my webpage on scientific method. Hello. So this is my webpage on Summit. Probably don't know what Summit is. I'm going to explain it right now. So Summit IMP is an individualized math plan. You're probably saying to yourself, I know what an individualized education plan is. I don't want to have another binder. Don't worry, you won't. All it is a way to track students' math progress. It has like over 300 different types of math lessons and topics, and students pretty much take quizzes and they get a chart. So this is the chart. Students are going to print this out, and say if they're doing comparing 6-digit numbers, they're just going to write the date and their score. They could do it a few times, they could do it once. It all depends on how you want to teach it. Here is just an example of a sample of what kids could do. Say if they're just on my website and want to try something out. This is the actual plan. So here, all these different lessons you could click on and find your score. So say if I was to do, let's see, multiplication. Go down here, press the start button. All right, 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So you go here, and you type in 40. So, 4, 0. Check. That says correct. So I won't do the whole thing right now, but that's pretty much how it works. So it's just a great way to track students' progress. So that's it. That's Summit Math. So this is my webpage on Common Core Standards. Here's a video of Obama discussing the Common Core Standards. And here, I embedded PowerPoint straight off the Common Core Standards website. And this is also where I found this great map. So here you can just pretty much go from page to page, learn all about the Common Core standards, why it's important. It's 35 pages. I won't go through all of them right now. You can go through it on your own. So the Common Core standards for ELA and math provide a consistent, clear understanding of what students are expected to learn, so teachers and parents know what they need to do to help them. So you can read through that. You go on this website, tells you which states have adopted it in the yellow, which states have not adopted it yet. That's in the orange. And on this website, you could do everything such as downloading that presentation, learning more about the Common Core standards, and also watching a webinar on the Common Core standards. Well, that's my webpage on Common Core standards.